Hello everyone, hope you're having a wonderful and blessed day. I'm going to do an unboxing. I just received this package today, so I'm super duper excited. I cannot wait to show you what it is, although if you do read the title, you will know what it is. So let's continue. Ooh, what do I see here? So, invoice and the cosmetic wedges. My goodness, these feel very nice. We would have to compare it to the ones that you normally get versus these lovely dense. Looks very good, high quality too. So can't wait to put these to good use. And for the moment of truth. Yes. Tom, 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 tom. Beautiful. My goodness. And let's go ahead and unwrap it completely. Put the box down so it wouldn't be in the way. Look at this beauty. Let's check. Any damages? No, it came in perfect. Perfect. Beautiful. It came very well wrapped, which I'm very happy about. And it's like unwrapping a taco. Ta-ta! Don't like the rainbow? Reminds me of Skittles. I imagine it would taste just as good. Anyways, let's get back to this. We have, let's see here, focus. Maybe too much lighting, or the fact that it is so pretty, the box. Let's tap here, focus, focus. Well, it's not focusing, but it is called red licorice. Yeah. Anyways, look at that beauty. Oh, I wish my phone can concentrate. Here we go. So beautiful. Gorgeous. Here's one. Two, although I see, as you can see, there's like a lot of holographic stuff on the bottom. Here's the other one. And the second one is orange drink, lemon sucker, green taffy, blue freezy, so beautiful, purple slushy, and magenta jelly. Let me get something to open them up really quickly. I have to get something.